This is the before shot of Brady's world about to be rocked. Right before he meets Jack. Come on, Braid. I see you. Come on, buddy. Thermi, are you ready for this? Okay. Dad, can you take Thermi? Hi, Brady. Come on in. Come on in.
Jacket and a shirt off?
No, it's okay. Come on. Braid, look who's here.
Baby brother.
Look who's here. No. Brady.
He gives the hand. He got it at school, actually.
Here. Brady, look. Look.
See your baby brother, Jack? That's yours. You're the big brother. That's your big brother. That's your little brother, Jack. And there's one more named Luke. What do you think?
What do you think of that baby, Brady?
Say hello to Jack. You're the big brother. He's gonna sleep next door. He's gonna play with you and Thermi.
Hi. Oh, okay. How you doing? You don't want to face reality yet? What do you think of this little guy, huh? He's gonna be one of your two best friends. Oh, okay.
Oh, Mama!
Now, all right. Thermi loves Jack. You see? See how nice Thermi is to Jack? Okay, then back up. Back up. Up, I said.
All right. So that's it, Bubs? You're not going to do anything?
Hold on. Let Mommy take Jack out. Can you please?
Yeah, well, I can't do both at once. So
Just grab his...
Look at the little Bubba. That's Jack. Move there. Up there.
What do you think of this guy?
I'm going to say hello to Jack. He's so sleepy. He just had a nice din-din.
Okay. Baby.
Baby.
I've never heard him so silent.
What's the matter, Brady?
All right, there. Back up. Okay.
Oh, okay.